If you guys would like to learn how to make this owner-only door in Roblox Studio that only opens for the owner of the game, then you're gonna have to watch this whole video. Hey guys, Noodle Gamer here, and welcome to a tutorial of how to make an owner-only door in Roblox Studio. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit the notification bell so you never miss out when I upload a brand new video to YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, we're going to design our door, so insert a part. I'm just going to scale my door to look all nice in the right size. Let me actually insert a rig, block rig. Sure. Alright, there we go. Now, once you have your door, we're going to name it to Owner Door. And then we are going to click the plus and insert a surface GUI. And now in the surface GUI, we're going to click the plus and insert a text label. I'm going to make the face for the surface GUI to back. And now what you're going to do with your text label, I'm going to size it, or we're going to size it to 1, 0, 1, 0. And as you can see, it covers up the whole side. Okay, and now it should cover the whole face of your block. Now we are going to make the background invisible, or you don't have to do this, you don't have to do anything I'm doing to the text. It should change the text to say owner only. Now what we're going to do is go to text, and I'm just going to make it say owner only. And now I'm going to color this to white. And I'm going to make text scaled equals to true, and I'm going to make the stroke transparency to 0. Okay, now we have our whole design of our owner only door. Now what we're going to do is insert a value, so click the plus, insert a string value, and we're going to name the string value to owner. And in this value, you're going to put in your username. Now we can start scripting. So click plus, insert a script. Clear print hello world. And now what you're going to do is say, well, let's start the variables. So local door equals to script.Parent. Now we're going to say local owner value equals to Door.Owner.Value. Now once we have our two variables, we are going to say Door.Touched connect, open bracket function, open bracket close bracket, and between these brackets we're going to say hit. Now we're saying hit because we're getting the other player that touched the block, so we can like figure out if it's the owner or not. And yeah, now we're going to say local character equals to hit.Parent. Now we're going to say if character.Name equals to, now we're going to say owner value, then enter, and an N should appear for you, also for this event right here. Oops. And now this is the part where we open the door for the player. So Door.CanCollide equals to false. Now we're going to say Door.Transparency equals to 0.5. Because if it's 0.5, then that means the player, that means it looks like the door is open. Now we're going to say enter. And now we are going to say wait, open bracket 3 or 4. And then we're going to close the door. So we're just going to copy what we said, paste it, Control V, and we're going to change false to true. And we are going to say 0.5, or we're going to change 0.5 to 0. Okay. Now, once you have both of those, we can test this and it should work. But here. And as you can see, oh, what was that? The heck? Oh yeah, I forgot to anchor it. Anchor your parts, people. Okay, now we can walk through, and as you can see, it opens up for us, and then later it closes. Now, we're gonna just test to see if it doesn't open for somebody who's not the owner, so I'm just gonna change it to, the Alvin Blocks. I'm a big fan of him. So now Alvin Blocks is the owner of this game, basically. And as you can see, I can't go through the door. But if I change it to my name, then I can. And also, oops. You can duplicate it and then, like, say, or OwnerValue 2, then. If you have, like, a friend or, like, a co-owner, which you want to go through the door. And also another thing you can do is, this is a little bit mean, is say else character dot humanoid dot health equals to, or character dot humanoid take damage 5. Okay. And oh wait. Let me just change the owner value. Blah blah. I don't know. I don't even know if that's a Roblox player. Okay. Oh, as you can see, we got damaged. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.